In the last third of the book, I think Steve really comes to terms with what he's trying to do with his movie. That on page 203, he says, "We lie to ourselves here. Maybe we're here because we lie to ourselves." Um, I think it kind of means that maybe if he hadn't lied to himself about how in how many ways the robbery could go wrong and that something could really horrible could happen, that maybe he wouldn't be where he was. Um, and that's why he's trying to convince himself of his innocence. And Petrocelli even says twice on 261 and 262 that he's trying to convince himself that he wasn't involved and that he's trying to distance himself from the event by distancing himself from King and from Bobo. The book ends, and this is probably, I think, the best quote about his involvement in the robberies. "I don't want to think about decisions, just my case. Nothing is real around me except the panic. The panic and the movies just dance through my mind. I keep editing the movies, making the scenes right, sharpening the dialogue." As if he can go over it enough times, he can change what actually happened, even though that's not possible. Um, I think that's what I think that's what his attorney sees at the end, is that he lied about his involvement, that he really was involved. That doesn't mean that he should have gotten 25 to life. Like, he would have if he'd been found guilty, but, and I think his attorney agrees with that, but she sees that he did have some level of involvement in the story, and I think the book is really successful in showing that conflict within Steve, um, about the decisions he made and about the consequences because of the decisions he made that he never intended to happen. And of course, about how he deals with those consequences, both within the trial and within his own head.